So let's see. You don't know. Let's see.
So it's already recording. So I guess you just get a point.
So you go first and then open?
Yeah. Like these little kegs, like they say, cute.
Oh god.
So it begins. These things are filled to the brim.
Oh god. No. Bottom.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Wait, so which one?
Alright, so take this, face like that. Poke that way, kind of aim it a little way because it's going to spray all over. And then you get ready to just put it on your mouth.
Right, then you just open it, yeah.
And
Okay. Just suck it down.
Alright, go.
Oh, I feel like death. Oh, fuck. I don't want to spray everyone.
Oh, you're still in? Get in, fucking drip. Move. You're dripping. Tilt.
Oh, God. Jesus.
This is a disaster.
Fucking it up. What is that shit? You look like you're still in college and you just fucked that up.
Damn, that's cold.
Yep. Oh.
It feels good though.
Rocky Mountain cold.
You would drink any of it. Pussy. Oh, God.